my name is Anders. I work at Nolato and we are a supplier of polymers. Polymers is basically plastic and silicones or soft materials in the plastic area. We basically supply every customer with component or sub-assemblies as well. But in this factory or the area that I'm working in is medical device. So the medical device customer or pharma industry. When a customer, or in this case Sigma, so come to us, they often have a concept or some kind of design. We take a look at that design, we try to make it as good as possible for manufacturability so we can get it into production without any problem. So we take that development on us to make design for manufacturing, and then we take it into production and produce parts and supply you with parts. We can, beside making components, plastic parts, we can also make assemblies or sub-assemblies for you to, when we can deliver, so it's up to you how we will deliver the products. In a traditional way, we make prototypes by physical prototypes by cutting steel and making tools and so on and get products, and then if we find any problems, we have to redo the tools, and it's costly and take time. So instead, we do it virtually in the computer, digital, so we can test it out and see if it works, both for process and for the function of the product, and that is much cheaper and faster. Yeah, the best way is we get involved early in the process, so we can make change to the design as early as possible. Otherwise, it's difficult to change the design. So we collaborate as early in the process as we can. So we can often we change a lot of things when the design is coming to us, because even though they're trying to figure out how the process, production process is working, it still is very difficult to think of everything. So that's where we're helping you with overcome that. So design for the best the process for manufacturing. That's what we help you with. The upfront cost will be the tool and the machining and so on, but for long-time savings is things as material reduction, lower cycle of production, all those stuff. You can make much money when it's a long-time period of production. For example, if you have a lifetime of your product for 15 years, you can do lots of saving by cutting down some material, reducing some production time, and so on. We have lots of experience of designs that could be designed better way for the production when it comes to production. Almost every project we can show that we need to change the design somehow, somewhat, to better fit into the production. When it comes to a medical device development, we are certified, so we know how to do for regulated markets. So we have documentation in place, we have traceability, we have all the validation of the process, and all of the stuff is done in the correct way. It's important that we work as a team together to get a better product and faster to the market.